Do you hear me? We in 60K. Damn, I can't believe this shit, y'all. Y'all not understanding, man. I can't believe this shit, man. We in 60K, man. Damn. I don't want to be hating on my video because, you know, it ain't what they want. You know what I'm saying? We be in 60K, though. My way. Let's get it, y'all. No cap, man. Everybody, please be yourself, man. Please be yourself, y'all. No cap. Please be yourself, man. That's the whole point, y'all. You stay being yourself, man. You gonna pop out every time, y'all. You hear me, man? We at 60K on my Cooking with Love channel, y'all. You hear me? We did it, y'all. 60K? Man, say, y'all. Y'all not understanding, man. All my bros, y'all know y'all what I'm talking about, man. We did it. Baby, we did it. What? What's up with it? What's up with it? Man, I told y'all, man. I told y'all, man. We gonna rock out, man. We did it, man. We did it. 60K, y'all. Don't y'all know we were doing 2 days. 2 days, y'all. Going up 1,000 in 2 days. Pop out, rock out, everybody. We hit 60K, y'all. We hit 60K. Tab on them, man. We hit 60K, y'all. On the Cooking with Love channel, y'all. Yeah, the most hated channel, y'all. But that bitch doing numbers and subscribers. Yeah, man. People texting me, be up there, leaving comments. Damn, bro. I ain't trying to hate on your channel, but your videos ain't going viral. They ain't gotta go viral. I'm getting subscribers. That's the whole point. I told y'all that I'm getting subscribers. I ain't trying to go viral, man, because you're going to see it anywhere it goes, because it's going to be stuck up there. You hear me out? So that's why I be trying to tell y'all, man. Try to hit them where they hurt. You know what I'm talking about? Hit them to make them think, be like, damn, I got to subscribe to that channel. That's what I do. I keep my shit uncut, raw. Drop that shit. You hear me? That's why I'll tell y'all, man. It's all about being yourself. When a person see you constantly being the same way, they know that what they gonna see when they come to your channel. You hear me? So that's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Be yourself. Free game. You hear me? Free game. I'm telling y'all, it's all about being yourself. Pop out every damn time. You got served. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. That's the whole point of my other channel, y'all. Go check it out, man. I ain't doing shit special. I'm dropping this shit on raw, being myself. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Be yourself, man. Pop out, man. We hit what? We just did what? You know what I'm talking about? 60K. 60K. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. It's all about being yourself. You hear me? But you ain't gotta hear me. You gonna see my channel going up. You gonna be like, damn, he ain't even playing. No, I'm not. I'm not bullshit. We finna boom. You hear me? I'm finna drop this shit like hot sauce. Hot sauce. You hear me? Like some hot sauce. You hear me? Y'all like Frank? We gonna have Frank hot sauce. Yeah, get ready, y'all. We ain't playing no game. No, we ain't playing no damn. No games. No game. No game. No game. We playing no games. No game. No pain. We ain't playing, y'all. With the blue cap on my mama, I told y'all we gonna set that channel off. Didn't I tell y'all? Everybody know about my channel. I told y'all. I'm finna set it off in this motherfucker. I told y'all I'm gonna set it off in this bitch. And bam, we did, y'all. So it really just me patting myself on the back. You hear me? I did it. So everybody rock out, y'all. We hit 60K on the Cooking with Love channel. You hear me, y'all? Appreciate y'all coming to the live. No cap. Bam. But yeah, we just hit 60K on my other channel, y'all. No cap. 60,000. Bang. Dab on them haters. Yeah, 60K. And it might, man, say y'all, that channel doing stupid numbers. Yeah. Just pop in, pop out. It's all good. Because you going to see me in the way it goes. You gonna see me in the way it goes. So I got that channel popping. I'm gonna get this channel popping. I'm gonna get my other channel popping. We gonna be popping like a motherfucking hot sauce. You hear me? So yeah, y'all, we gonna make them really mad. I'm gonna have this channel popping now. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna be popping out. You know, you got served. Fire in the hole. Appreciate everybody, y'all. Told y'all we finna have a bang, y'all. Really appreciate everybody, y'all. No cap, y'all. Really, with the blue cap. I told y'all, man. Pop out, rock out.